Yawning isn't just a sign you're tired or bored. It's a fascinating reflex that even science finds puzzling. We yawn to cool our brains and boost alertness. When you're tired or your brain heats up, a big yawn helps regulate temperature. Yawning is contagious because of empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons make you want to join in. And it's not just humans. Dogs, chimpanzees, even fish yawn too. It's a universal reflex that connects us all. Admit it, you're fighting a yawn right now. Go ahead, let it out.